Welcome to Trading Talents. My name is Tate and I'm the one who is behind everything on this channel. I'm going to show you how I made a little over $540 in the month of May, the good and the bad. So if you're completely new to trading or having trouble being profitable over a monthly basis, I'm going to show you all of my data all the time, and this video and all of my content will be for you. So we go to the next slide here, just a quick screenshot of the month overall. You see the 29 trades here and the total profit right here at 543. So quick calendar view here as well. As you can see, I was green on 3 of the 4 of the weeks, but the red week kind of eliminated all of the profit that I was taking. So if that's something you can relate to, I have a quick fix, which I actually implemented in my trading today, which we will go over to later in this video. Some quick data from the month. The biggest thing I'm noticing from my data is that my win rate is usually 65 to 70%. And number 2, my average winning is 335. My average loss is 491. So that's something that we're definitely going to improve on in the future. And if this is also something that you're looking to focus on, I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel. Comment below and we can improve together. So, strategy for my winning trades. As you can see here, New York retest worked 6 times this month for the trades that I took. Break and retest came in here second place. So, and once again, if you're new to this channel, I trade VWAP and volume profile. So I will link the video below that you can go watch after this about how I explain how I take all of my VWAP trades. And as you can see, once again, the New York retest accounted for 70% of my wins. So let's take a look at the best trades of the month. The double break right here. As you can see, price action breaks below the opening range low here, comes up back into the range. Strong take of the New York VWAP. This is the entry here on confirmation, and then we're trading it to the opening range high. This is a textbook perfect double break trade here. And then this is the New York retest. Once again, why I took this trade, just full VWAP alignment to the upside. Price action comes back and kind of retests the New York VWAP, saying who's in control, buyers or sellers. Seems to be buyers are, because we cannot break strongly below this VWAP. We just retest it, strong hold above it, back up to the all-time highs or the previous high of day. So that is how we teach and execute the New York retest as well. And a strategy from the losing trades. As you can see here on the right side of the screen, the break and retest actually failed 4 times. So 4 out of my 8 losing trades for the month, 50%, happened to be on the break and retest trades. So guess what we won't be taking in the month of June? Correct. Break and retest trades. So I'm learning that knowing your data and knowing your setups, knowing your entries, and knowing the percent of times that they win comes to help you a lot becoming a profitable trader. So if you are needing help in tracking and understanding your data, I recommend just reach out to me. Send me a DM on X or comment below and we can work on that together. So next slide here is, once again, the worst trades. Gonna go over them, gonna be transparent. And this is a day that I lost $1,300. So as you can see, this one was a clear double break trade like we just went over for our best trades, but for some reason we wanted to get short. Price action breaks below opening range. You could enter here for a double break, going to the top of the opening range high. but for some reason we decided to get short on a retest, which we've lost 50% of the trades for this month, and ended up losing. This is one of the 50%. So, and this is the first trade on my $1,300 day. So, as you can see, price action broke above. This would be more of like a New York retest. We retested it. Strong close above. Was looking for it to get back up to here to the highs, but as you can see, following my 0.7 R rule and stopped out. This rule is something that I'm implementing and I kind of created for myself here because I'm finding that if my trade goes in drawdown 0.7 R, it's more times than likely like 80 to 90% going to go to that full 1R. As you can see here, it did. So that's something that I've been implementing and honestly saving me a lot of capital over some time. So the second trade on this day happened to be the same exact entry. As you can see, this is the first trade I tried to get long here, and then I got stopped out here. Price action comes back above, and I was like, okay, I think I'm still right. I'm going to try it again. And as you can see, straight into drawdown, straight at that point, 8R. So I broke my rules a little bit here, but still not as bad as it could have been. But then the true stop was hit here. So um, the biggest lesson here from the losing day is if you're wrong twice, you should probably change your thesis. So, or even, taking 2 losses in a row, trying to stop yourself from trading that day and just lock out, keep your account alive. So, and I already made this adjustment for June. As you can see here, this is actually today when I'm recording this is June 1st, but I tried to get short once, didn't work. Okay, got more information from the market. Tried to get short again, did not work. Got stopped out here at my point, 7R rule. And then I said, okay, this is not working short like I think it is. I'm going to flip my bias and get long. And as you can see, I ended up getting some money back there. So making adjustments is also huge. So my plans for June. The goals is to just, as you saw earlier, my winning days be bigger than my losing days. Average winning day bigger than average losing day. I have a goal to gain $3,500 in my P&L, which I believe I'm going to do, and to continue to follow my 0.75R rule. So, and to just continue to trade my data. Like if I would have caught on last month that my break and retest was not working and I was continuously losing, if I cut 2 of those losses out, a $540 a month probably is around a $1,500 a month. So, yeah. And finally, if you enjoy this content, if you're new to trading, if you need help with anything that we discussed through this video, I just ask that you subscribe and we can be on this journey together. So thank you so much for watching and God bless you.